Hello everyone, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, today I am going to shoot my video and I thought why shouldn't I start the video from right now, because time is so precious. And you know guys that I am in the journey of learning English and improving my communication skills in English. And I think like me there are so many people who is trying to improve their English communication skills, because in today's date English is so important. And if you know the English and if you can communicate in English, then people will respect you. So you can just say that if money is important for your respect and for your everything, that's the same way. If you are learning English, then you are earning something new. And guys, many people say that if you are earning money, then you are earning respect also. That's the same way. If you are learning English, then you are earning your respect. And in many institutes or in many offices, you will see that if you go to for interview, then first of all they will ask you that do you know English? And if you say yes, then there is 90% chances that they will hire you, because in today's date English is so important and in everywhere we have to use and we have to communicate with people in English. Guys, do you know English is so important language? Why? Because if we want to communicate with people who don't know Hindi or Tamil or Bengali, it is extra many languages that they don't know. And if we try to communicate with them and if they don't know English, then we can communicate with them very easily. And if you are in job or you have to communicate with foreigners, then they don't know Hindi, you will have to communicate with them in English language. So English is so important language and you should work on this language too. I know English is not our mother tongue and we have to face many problems while learning, but trust me guys, if you will work for your goal and if you work that I will have to learn English and I want to learn English, and once you will just keep it in your mind that I will have to do it and I can do it, then definitely you will learn English. And you can just see me in previous time I have to face many problems while speaking English, but now there is improvement and I can speak English better than yesterday. So I think it should be your motivation too, that if I can speak English in village area, you can just see there is village. I'm not from a big city that where I will find many sources of learning English or improving my communication skills and many more things which will be so helpful for me. But if I can do living in my home and living in my small village, then you can do also. So don't lose your hope and you just start preparing from today. And trust me guys, after 1 month you will feel better. And if you today you are here in this range, then tomorrow you will up slowly and later 1 month you will be here and you can learn many more things and you will be able to speak English, understand English and write. Everything will be fine. And one more thing guys, I have felt that who knows the English better or who knows the English just to communicate with others and who can communicate with others in English, they feel confident. So if you want to be confident in your life, then you should know English very well. should know English and you should communicate with others also. So I hope this video will be so helpful for you. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.